simple thing is in my mind. I'm explaining my opinion before you. I just say that whenever you are doing something, people will criticize you. When your people are starting criticizing you, you should listen them, but always ignore them. Whenever you are listening to them carefully and you always put them in your mind and always remember them, then you can't live in this world. Because many people don't want that you should progress or you should make something different from the others. That's why they always try that they can create hindrances for you. And these hindrances are important because when hindrances comes in our life, we have to motivate ourselves that we have to cross these hindrances. But many people in this world are so afraid of doing something different in a way that whenever they are doing something different, they think that they are doing wrong. One of the fault of the people is that whenever they stop trying anything because they are afraid of the mistakes. Such type of criticism which always comes in our life and we realize that that criticism can change our lives and can fail us so it's not easy. Because those who are very much confident and they realize that they can do anything in this world, then they should always work hard. Because many percentages in this world are always trying to get something different. But those who are continuously trying without thinking the comments of the people, they always reach them. But whenever you are looking forward for anything, you should realize that from where you have to start and where you have to reach. Whenever you are thinking about these ideas and these things which are different from the others, one thing you should remember that you will be criticized. When you are listening the criticism of everyone, then you always realize that why you are doing such things whenever you are not getting any appreciation from anyone. Appreciation is important in our life to do something better as compared to our past. Whenever you are in a competition with yourself, then you shouldn't afraid from the people that what they are saying, and you shouldn't be careful about their words that what they are saying to you. Whenever you are ignoring everyone's words, then you are one of the best men in this world, and your wisdom also reaches that peak. Top of the list, those who comes in history, you can find out that whenever they have started anything, they have faced different type of criticism. Whenever you are taking criticism positively, then nothing can ignore you and nothing can make you fail. So success is nothing but whenever you are continuously doing something and making practice in your life that will grow you up every day and time being will be used to reach at your point. So whenever you realize that something better is coming in your life, so you shouldn't stop at any place. Sometimes you will be hopeless, and that hopelessness can create very much trouble for you to work hard, but you have to work always. In such idea, when you are using in your general life, then you can reach at your goal. Main thing is that many of us don't know that where we have to go and where what we want to do. When that question arises in our mind, then we are afraid of thinking that what is really we want to do. So first of all, you should ask yourself that what do you want to do. Whenever you are finding the answer of that question, then there is nothing difficult for you to manage. Whenever you have learned your managing system of your life and your professional life, then nothing is difficult. So difficulties always comes when we are trying something different in the aspects and the reasons of doing their thing are also different. So that is a main point that we have to realize. So don't worry about the criticism, what people are saying. Always throw them back because whenever you are ignoring them, they will realize that they are valueless. Don't value the words of the idiot. Whenever you are not giving values to the words of the idiot, you are wise. And it is the first point.